Okay, boom, what's going on, guys? Having another YouTube video. Today we're doing an unboxing. I got a few shoes from the Panda Dunk drop that happened last week. I think January 19th, if I'm not mistaken. I think these are Panda Dunks. I don't know, I kind of ordered a lot of shoes last week, so if I'm not mistaken, these are Panda Dunks, so we're just going to go ahead and unbox them. I would show you guys, but my address is on there, so I'm going to cut this, and then I'm going to show you guys what the box is. Okay, I put a piece of paper over the top box because they all have my address on it, but so you guys can kind of see, there's 3 of them. Ignore the TV. So yeah, I'll show you guys me opening those, but I kind of have to, actually, I'll take them out of the boxes first because they are, they do have my address on it, and I just want to show you guys my address, obviously. So I'll open that up, and then I'll show you guys me taking out the shoes just in case they are something different. So stay tuned. Okay, I just took them out the boxes. Here they are. There's 2 GS sizes, a 7Y, a 5.5Y, and a 9.5. I ended up hitting 6 of them on the initial drop. One of them is going to a completely different address, and then the other 2 just haven't arrived yet. So I still have to wait for those, but I didn't want to just let the boxes build up. I did want to take them out and obviously show you guys because I made a video talking about what is reselling. So I guess I kind of have to prove that I am a reseller and that I can actually get these shoes. So I'll just take out the first one just so you guys can kind of see. I'm pretty sure you guys already know what pandas look like, but it just doesn't hurt to see. Here they are. I think these are a men's 9.5, just a typical panda colorway. They are restocking February 14th, so if you miss out on this one, there's still another chance to get more. But these restock so often, it's like almost impossible to not get any. So that's the men's size. Actually, I could have hit a lot more. I had 8 declines because I ran out of money on my credit card. I paid it way too late. So I ended up only hitting 6 instead of, 8, 16, what is that, like 14, I think. Here are the kids. Just the same thing, just smaller. I think the pandas are really nice. I wouldn't personally rock it just because so many people already have it. So it's, I guess, one of the shoes I just really don't care to get. And because I've had it so many times, my shoe size is a 10, but I could fit a 9.5 or a 10. So I mean, I have a 9.5. I've got 9.5s previously. I've got 10. So it's just one of those shoes that keeps restocking. So I really see no value in me getting it because I don't want to wear something that everybody else already wears. I work at a mall right now, and I also resell. And working at the mall, I see people come in with pandas practically every day. So just one of the shoes I kind of stay away from. But this is just like a little short unboxing. I wanted to keep it short and simple, show you guys that the shoes that I got, and just do opening the actual boxes with you guys. It's just something cool to do. I will prepare next time better so I can actually scribble out the addresses so you guys can fully see me ripping apart the boxes and seeing what's inside of them. Because I do botting, a lot of time I can't tell which shoes are getting delivered, what sizes, because all of it goes to a completely different email that I can't even really access. So that's just like a random thing to add. But yeah, like I said, thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. We're ordering more shoes. We're doing, I'm going to make a video on how to bot. Someone actually asked me that, like how to get into botting. So I will be making a video on that soon. So you guys make sure you stay tuned. Leave a like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. Yeah, I hope you guys like it, and yeah, stay tuned.